Good afternoon, friends. Yesterday we had seen about the satellites, that is moon, the natural satellite of Earth we had seen. So going ahead, we'll just define what is satellite. So a satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. So around the sun, planets move, and around the planets, satellites move. Okay, so that is the definition of satellite. A human made satellite is an artificial body. So our natural satellite is moon, but we have certain other satellites also. So they are human made. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. So if a match is taking place in Calcutta, you can sit in Chennai and see the match live. It is possible only because of satellites. A news reader is reading news in New Delhi, but all the television sets can show that news to us. It is because of satellites. Mobile phones, I am sitting in Maharashtra, I can speak to you in Karnataka. That is because of mobile phones. So that is because of satellites. So all this for communication as well as to gather information about the universe. Many satellites we have sent to moon so that we can understand about the moon. So similarly we are sending the satellites for communication or to gather information about the space. That is one of the functions of satellites. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. We cannot send satellite without the help of rocket, because rocket, we will also see how we send the satellites in the space. Because we have gravitational pull, you cannot throw anything into space. For that we require high speed. So we use rockets for this, to place satellites around the orbit of Earth. Okay, some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT, etc. These are few examples of this. Now, how does the satellite is placed in the orbit of Earth? See, I think this picture. Okay, this is the first picture you can see here. This is a rocket which is coming from Earth. Here you can see Indian map of India. From there it goes up. Slowly it parts gets break down. One by one the part will break down, and then this satellite, the head opens and this satellite is thrown into the space, and then it start rotating around the Earth. So this is how a satellite is placed in the space which orbits around the Earth. We'll see a short video about this just now. This is a picture of satellite. This is how satellite looks originally. Now how this is placed in the space, outer space, which we'll see just now. Yeah, have you seen the video? I hope you liked this video. So now you understood how this rocket goes. Slowly the parts will break off, and then finally the head will open and the satellite will go into the space. Going ahead, we are coming to the last part of this chapter, asteroids. What are asteroids? They are tiny celestial bodies, small celestial bodies. Apart from stars, planets, satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies, small bodies, which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. These asteroids you can see in between the inner and outer planets. Inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. After that there is a belt of asteroids. Asteroid rotate in this orbit. In between Mars and Jupiter. You can see many asteroids there. These are called asteroids. Now they are found between orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So it is between the inner and outer orbits, outer planets. Inner planets, you know what are those, outer you know. In between them there is a belt of asteroids, sorry. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are part of planet which exploded many years back. So what do scientists say? That in between Mars and Jupiter there was one planet which used to revolve around the sun. But due to certain reasons it exploded. So it broke down into many small pieces. Now these pieces are rotating. So that is asteroid. This is the thinking of scientists. That from where did asteroid came? So a single planet broke down into many pieces, and that pieces now they are in that orbit. So they are called asteroids. Okay, going ahead, see this. This is the asteroids. Many tiny bodies together, they are rotating around the sun. Now we come to meteoroids. Now you can see this picture. Many times you would have seen in the sky at the night time like this. So they are called meteoroids. Now what is meteoroids? They are large rocks. So the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Now what is the difference between asteroids and meteoroids? This we'll see. We'll see this, don't worry. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop on it. Sometimes they come very near to earth, and because of the gravity the meteoroids come toward, they attract toward the earth, and also earth pulls it. But because of the atmosphere, when it comes inside, because of the thick atmosphere, air, it gets friction, so it burns down. So this kind of picture you can see sometimes in the night. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes flash of light. This is the flash of light which you can see in this picture here. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Sometimes what happens, the size of the meteor is very big. So when it comes down, it starts burning. But after burning also, after completing the air also, it is not totally burnt because of its bigger size. So it hit on the ground or the land, or you can say crust, earth crust. When it hits there, it forms a big hollow or a big crater kind of thing. A very big crater like these things will be there, which you can see. Okay, this is about meteoroids. Now here you can see the difference between asteroids and meteoroids. I'll just try to explain you. Asteroids are rocks that are orbiting the sun. Sizes from 480 millions to less than a mile in diameter. Big things. Most orbit between Mars and Jupiter. So what is the thing? They orbit around the Mars and in between Mars and Jupiter around the sun, and their size is 480 miles to nearly 1 mile in diameter. Meteoroids are pieces from asteroids that have break off and continue a path through space. So now asteroids are continuously revolving around the sun. But sometimes what happens, a single asteroid can leave the path and come towards come in the outer space, not in that orbit, it will be in the outer space. They are called as meteoroids, and which enter the Earth's atmosphere, they are called meteors. Asteroids, a single asteroid will break from that orbit and it come out, it is called meteoroid. The meteoroid which comes in the Earth's atmosphere is called meteor, and meteoroids are meteors that actually hit the Earth's surface. So now I think it's very clear. Asteroids, from their meteoroids, from their meteors, and from their meteorites. Clear? So this is all about the chapter. Now this is the last part. Sometimes in the night time you can see like this a picture. This is nothing but galaxy. We call it galaxy. We also have our own galaxy. Its name is Milky Way. Sometimes you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night. This is nothing but, this band is Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. So they believe that there are many solar systems in one galaxy. Might be there is some another solar system also there, but we cannot reach there. We don't know about it, but we know about our solar system. So our galaxy is called as Milky Way because it looks like Milky. And in Hindi or in India we say it Akash Ganga because it looks like white water flowing like Ganga, and it's white, so we call it Akash Ganga. Akash means heaven, or you can say sky. So in sky it's like a flowing Ganga, so we call Akash Ganga, but it is called Milky Way in English. We'll go with this Milky Way. In ancient India it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky, thus it was named as Akash Ganga. Okay. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of galaxies that make the universe. So we can say a planet, a solar system. Out of this, many solar systems form a galaxy, and many galaxies form a universe. So this is all about our chapter of solar system. Thank you. Have a nice day.